I'm literally crying. That's so stupid. Hey girl, hey, I'm heading to a wellness event. So I don't know if I want to do like a full makeup, but I know for sure I need skincare and I need to figure out my hair. It's 1:05 today, so for sure I don't want my hair all the way down. I'll probably do half up, half down. Yes, well, that's what I like. I'm gonna taking this Pureology. This is new. It's the Hydrate Glow Catcher Oil, and it has heat protectant in it. Actually really lightweight, like super thin. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that, and I'm going to put that here. And then we're going to press the leave out. We're going to start there. I'm taking my bed head straightener. This is on like 350, 75. And we're just going to press that out. Crispy crunchy. Ugh. She crunchy, Jesus. She crunchy. So yeah, they're going to have cryo. They're going to do lymphatic drainage massages. They're going to do some cool plunges. I will never skip facial massage wellness. I also have a peel right after at a different place. So I'll take y'all along with me for me to get my peel also. We're just going to do it all today. We're just going to do all the things. Also, look at my polka dot nails. Aren't they so cute? If you want a tutorial, let me know. Now, yesterday I had 2 pieces out. I think we're not going to do the pieces only because I know I'm going to do facial and all the other things, and I don't want to get my pieces wet. So we're just going to do this. Take the smallest, cutest little clip, and we're just going to clip her. Just going to clip her out. And then I'll finish the rest after I do my skincare and my makeup, whatever that means. For skincare, oh, we have 2 options. I have Glow Recipe Watermelon Dew Balm, SPF 45, and then I have Lancome UV Expert SPF 50. They're both like really great skincare with SPF. So I'm actually gonna layer it. Let's do the Lancome all over, and then I'll do the dew on like my cheeks. These are actually Dior eye things. Eye patches. Reviver patches. I don't know English. Instant hydration, smoothing, brightening. The Watermelon Glow Dew Balm. Let's do this on top of the cheekies. I'm gonna let all that good stuff settle, and in the meantime, I'm gonna work on brows. I'm taking Super Boost from Makeup Forever. I would go barefaced, but I just hate going to an event and then they're like, hey, can we take photos? And I'm like, felt like I still needed a little concealer. So this is Ginger from NARS. I don't necessarily want to bake, but I just want to make sure. Okay, I said this wasn't going to be a whole routine, but I just thought about the photos. And again, I'm like, let's do a little bit of blush. I love me some gumdrop. It looks like hell, but it's because we like it. The Huda liner stain. I'm going to let it sit, and then I'm going to do another layer. I actually want a small wing liner, so I'm taking the Wim Beauty liquid liner. We're going to do a little bit of highlight, a little on the nose. It looks so puffy today. My allergies beating me. Lip gloss. We're doing Lawless. I'm taking Strawberry Shortcake. Then we got edges. I'm taking I Create Holds. And I'm just going to do my edges. I usually don't do Got To Be, but I need this to stay. Just sit like this for like 5 minutes. I would normally do a wand curl, but I'm not about to heat that up. Just a little something to take the edge off. Do you have any kids? Yes, I have one daughter. How about you? I have one daughter. I have one. I understand that is she by the same father. That literally brings tears to my eyes because what? And the fact that the internet has actually made it into a freaking trend is frying me to no end. I'm literally crying. I'm about to cry my mascara off. I have to chill. Pure millennial humor. I'm literally crying. That's so stupid. Let's do a little baby hoop. Yeah, she's cute. Alrighty. Cutesy bootsy. Alright, let me know what you guys think. I gotta run. Bye.